Fight it out, fighting back is Hoover Ray on the outside to Raz. These two are going straight for straight to the line, and Raz on the outside. Mink City in front. Karma trying to level up. Karma and Mink City. Mink City still just in front. Karma lifting, but Mink. I'm not saying my side the outside. I'm not saying my not and brother.
5 in the 8th in front. Sharp Cookie lifting right now, and Sharp Cookie ranges up. So Gorgeous, bootlegs is on the outside. Bootlegs and So Gorgeous. Perfect puncher, Benjo, and Cow Willy on the partner outside. And finally at the pair price. And Real Spicy on a one-on-one situation. Empire King, Real Spicy on the outside. Empire King, Real Spicy on the outside. But still Empire King, Real Spicy. And finally, Empire King.
Maximum exposure, long way back to Black Magic, plus 200 meters, Arriba Dercy, ayan na po, Isoriyaw sa Extend, Arriba Dercy, ayan na po, and finally, sa
Municipality, long shot, not the outside. It's now number Municipality Detective Darrell and Bingat Detective Darrell, and finally, Paramount is running by it's not it against the it's not it on the outside, it's always slash, not it, sorry slash, not it, sorry slash. That's 100 meters of the race, and it's still Queen Josephine, Global Master, but it's still Queen Josephine. Marquis reached the lead now, and in the last 75, Marquis just in front. Spectacular cross goes, spectacular play.
Outside comes House of Riches. We have House of Riches, and by the release given in the middle, Red Diamond, House of Riches, Red Diamond, House of Riches, Red Diamond.
Here comes Speed Admiral with a challenge and a long shot on the outside. Kima Gore, Speed Admiral on the outside, and one body on G-Red, and finally, it's Lucky, be lucky, on the outside, and finally. Grand total anonymous on the outside, grand total anonymous on the outside, grand total selling grand anonymous on the outside, grand total anonymous, and finally.
Beyonce is nicking down on the inside, never late Plaza. That's 100 meters. We have Mika's friends, Golden Oak is in the middle. Beyonce is by the middle, and the ring of finish line, it's going to be. Sorry, outside. This time 2 and 3 still fighting out for the lead. Last 100 to go. Sattersworth sweeping at the sorry outside. Sweeping Sattersworth and the ring the finish line. It's by the rail with about 100 meters of the race. 2 and 3 fighting out for the lead. That is good. Look who's playing. Sorry outside. That is good. Look who's playing.
Danger on the outside is Carlos Pride. It's still Tony Quatter, Mr. Lucas, Carlos Pride on the outside, Tony Quatter, Carlos Pride on the outside, and finally
50 meters more to run. We have Heart of the Wind followed by Binget in second. Heart of the Wind, Binget is on the outside. Heart of the Wind, Binget is on the outside. Heart of the Wind, Binget and back.
Last 100 feet, and by the unang po, full Turner is on the outside, full Turner is on the outside, and finally, triple threat, and down the stretch they come, we've got burst of speed, Tiger Abbey from this moment, moving up on the outside, and don't match on the partner outside, but still getting better in the lead. It's getting better, powered by Twin Turbo by the rail, and finally at the fair price. Gene, with the last 200 meters of the race, pound for pound from the outside, moving up, 1 man solid by the rail, and up the length, Red Button is on the outside, and still keep on going, and Red Button, and nearing the finish line, it's going to be a big 100, and it's still Andorra, without warning, it's on the outside, without warning, Andorra, and finally, it's going.
Territory Yankee keeper, long heater, race taker, and it's still Shifty and Toropan coming back once again. Toropan Shifty on the outside, and finally.
With about 150 meters more to run. Now we have 3 entries fighting out for the lead. Billion.
got in the anti-Sony yellow side, Fairhaven, and finally it's
Coming up, here comes Indala bowling, Mario Saron and Rico Indala beating, but he's